Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some vintage farmhouse inspired home decorating ideas. Let's start the video. Vintage farmhouse inspired home decoration is a style that combines the cozy simplicity of a traditional farmhouse with aged nostalgic pieces that feel collected over time. It creates a warm, lifting, welcoming home rather than a polished or ultra-modern look. Core features of vintage farmhouse style: neutral and soft colors, pink, white, cream, beige, soft gray, rose green, or dusty blue. These colors make spaces feel calm and bright. Use natural materials. Common materials include reclaimed wood, distressed furniture, cotton and linen fabrics, wicker baskets, metal accents like iron or galvanized steel. Use vintage pieces. Decor often includes old mirrors, wooded cabinets, antique clocks, messengers, rustic sign, flower market finds, and old frames. Cozy textures. Use layers like knit throws, linen curtains, jute rugs, soft pillows, and wooden trays. Functional and charming furniture. Farmhouse style values usefulness, like large wooden tables, open shelves, benches, sleep-covered sofas, and storage baskets. Room examples. First, living room. Use white sofa, wooden coffee table, vintage lamps, oven baskets, and neutral rug. Next, kitchen. Use open shelving, ceramic dishes, wooden cutting boards on display, black metal hardware, apron front sink. Next, bedroom. Use iron bed frame, quilts, distressed nightstands, and soft lighting. Overall feeling: the vibe is warm, comfortable, relaxed, timeless, slightly rustic, full of character. Hot it is not, shiny modern luxury, cold minimalism, overly cluttered antique shop look. Vintage farmhouse decor looks like a cozy country home, filled with old treasures, soft colors, wood texture, and welcoming charm. Vintage farmhouse inspired home decoration is popular because it feels both comfortable and timeless. It blends practical farmhouse living with the charm of older, meaningful objects. The story behind the style: this look comes from traditional rural homes, where furniture was built to last and items are reused for many years. Over time, those homes naturally developed a mix of handmade wood paint, own finishes, and collected treasures. Modern vintage farmhouse style recreates that warmth intentionally. Main design principles: comfort first. Rooms should feel inviting and usable. Not formal. Furniture is often cheap state, soft and family friendly. Imperfect is beautiful, like scratches, faded paint, worn wood, and aged metal are appreciated because they add character. Mix old and new. A modern sofa can sit beside an antique table. New lighting can pair with reclaimed wood shelf. This keeps the home functional while still charming. Practical decor. Many decorative items also serve a purpose. Baskets for storage, hooks for coats, trays for organizing, benches for sitting and storage. Popular furniture pieces: farmhouse dining table, large oak table, hut or sideboard, rocking chairs, ladder shelf, console table, wooden benches, slip-covered couches, iron or wood bed frames. Signature decorative items use vintage clocks, candle holders, old books, glass jars, ceramic pitchers, wooden crates, lanterns, framed botanical prints, oven baskets, and quilts. Best fabrics for the look: choose natural, soft materials like linen, cotton, wool, burlap, small touches, twinkling blankets, patterns, stripes, checks, florals, rain-sack patterns. How to style without making it look cluttered? Common mistakes is adding too many rustic items. Better approach: use the 80 by 20 rule, like 80% simple neutral basics and 20% vintage accents. This keeps the room fresh instead of crowded. Modern version of vintage farmhouse. Many people now combine farmhouse style with cleaner modern lines. Less zigzag, simpler furniture, fewer decorations, more natural light, matte black accents, cleaner shelves. This creates a modern farmhouse feel. Five people love it. Feels peaceful, easy to live in, family friendly, works on many budgets. Mix thrifted and new items. Never feels too trendy. If you are decorating on a budget, try thrift stores, second-hand wood furniture, DIY distressing old frames, white paint, refreshers, neutral pillow covers, baskets for storage. Perfect for houses, apartments, small rooms, family homes. Rental spaces with removable decor. The mood of vintage farmhouse style. When someone walks into a vintage farmhouse home, they often feel relaxed, comfortable, welcomed, calm, nostalgic, and cozy. It feels like a place where people gathered, eat together, and settle down. The key elements in detail: aged and weathered finishes. Furniture often looks naturally old over time. Examples: chipped oak paint, faded oak, distressed cabinets, antique bronze handles, old iron hardware. These finishes add history and character. Warm wood tones. Wood is one of the most important parts of farmhouse style. Popular woods: oak, pine, reclaimed wood, rustic unfinished wood. Use wood in tables, shelves, beams, picture frames, and flooring. Soft layers. A farmhouse home should feel soft and cozy. Use straw blankets, layered rugs, cushions, linen curtains, upholstered chairs. This prevents the room from feeling hot or empty. Collected decor, not matching sets. Instead of buying on matching set, farmhouse homes look better with collected items over time. Example: on old mirror, on handmade vase, different baskets, mixed chairs around dining table, old books plus candles plus tray. This feels natural and authentic. Popular rooms in vintage farmhouse style. First, living room. Main focus: comfortable sofa, wood coffee table, table lamps, neutral rugs, vintage wall art, oven storage baskets. Kitchen. Very popular room in farmhouse style. Aces open shelves, ceramic bowls, wooden cutting boards, glass jars with cranes, black or brown sandals, aprons seem impossible. Bedroom. Main focus iron or wood bed. White bedding, quilt blankets, soft lamps, old dresser, and neutral curtains. Bathrooms. Use white towels, wooden tools, windows mirrors, glass storage jars, and plug fixtures. Lighting matters a lot. Choose warm lighting, not harsh bright white. Best options: table lamps, lantern lights, pendant lights, candlelight fill bulbs, wall sconces. Warm lighting creates farmhouse coziness. How to make it feel expensive? Even budget homes can look elegant if you use fewer better pieces, large mirror, thick curtains, real wood accents, consistent color palette, good lighting, and clean styling. Common mistakes to avoid: too much rustic decor. Using too many signs creates fake antiques, can feel messy. Too dark. Farmhouse work best with light walls and airy feeling. No picture. If everything is flat white, rooms feel boring. Too many small items. Use fewer, larger statement pieces. If you want it more modern, use farmhouse basics but cleaner styles. Less decor, straight line, black accents, white walls, natural wood only. The philosophy behind the style: unlike trendy styles like focused on showing luxury, Vintage Farmhouse focuses on everyday comfort, durable materials, useful furniture, sentimental objects, relaxed beauty, a slower, calmer feeling. It suggests a home built over time rather than bought all at once. Why it feels so appealing? Many people are drawn to it because modern life can feel fast and digital. Vintage Farmhouse introduces balanced charm, neutral textures instead of shiny surfaces, soft colors instead of visual noise, handmade or aged items instead of mass product shameless. Cozy spaces for gathering and resting. It often feels emotionally soothing. The importance of texture. Texture is what keeps neutral room from feeling boring. Use combinations like smooth ceramic vase, rough wood table, soft linen curtains, tuncanite straw, oven baskets, metal lamp base. Even with few colors, textures add richness. How rooms usually feel structured. Vintage farmhouse spaces often have a clear focal point. Examples: fireplace, large dining table, bed with statement headboard, and antique cabinet. Open breathing space. Not every wall or corner needs decor. Balanced storage. Visible beauty plus hidden storage. The role of vintage pieces. Vintage items make the home feel personal because they often carry story and uniqueness. Examples: old trunk used as coffee table, weathered mirror, second-hand dresser, vintage books, handmade pottery, framed family photos. Even an authentic old item can transform a room. Seasonal styling works well. This style changes beautifully with seasons. Summer, use lighter fabrics, fresh flowers, airy curtains, and open shelves. For rainy season, use warm lamps, candles, heavier throws, and cozy corners. Winter or cooler weather, use layered bedding, textured rugs, darker wood accents. Best plants for the look. Plants soften farmhouse interiors. Good options: pathos, snake plant, olive style branches, frames, jarred grass in vases. Use clay pots, baskets, or ceramic planters. If your home is small, farmhouse style can still work beautifully if you use light walls. Choose fewer larger items. Add mirrors for openness. Use baskets for storage. Keep shelves styled simply. Choose multi-use furniture. How to make it feel authentic. Avoid buying everything brand new on a jump. Better approach: mix old plus new. Add items gradually. Keep meaningful objects. Choose quality over quantity. Let some imperfections remain. I think today's ideas will help you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.